So here we are, we have driven down to a place called as Sikeri in Goem, and we have come to a temple, a shrine of Rashtroli Gopal Krishna Prasanna. Now the reason why I have come here is because we are going to show you what the Dhonds, these are the Dhonds. We are going to show you the process of what happens when they have to eat their food and proceed with whatever we are doing. Now here we are, ladies and gentlemen, for you, these are the firewalkers or the Dhonds. And we have Mr. Sandeep Hadfadkar here, who is going to tell us the story as it happens over here. So we will not stop them because I am sure they are hungry. Let them do their process. We will capture that for you as we talk to Mr. Hadfadkar. And do you think that it is just these Dhonds who are over here? No. Just look at how their families are all with them. Ladies and gentlemen, the food is prepared by the better halves, the wives of the Dhonds over here. But, there is this concept called as savane, where it is purely purified area. And in this case, when they even touch their husbands or any other male, they have to have a bath and then come back to prepare or serve the food. These ladies are now going to go for their bath. I can't take you there, but these are the the Rashtroli shrine and temple, we saw that there were a lot of Dhonds over here. You know who are the Dhonds? Dhonds are the people who walk in the fire. So we found that they were doing things over here which was a little complex for me to understand. So the best thing that I did was I managed to corner Mr. Sandeep Hadfadkar, who is also a Dhond, and I am going to ask him a lot of questions. Let's see what they were doing and why they were doing. संदीप बाब, आमच्या प्रोग्रामाचेर तुजें स्वागत आसा आनी सगळ्यांचें तुमचेंय बी. आमी जेन्ना हांगा आयले तेन्ना सगळे धोंड न्हाले आनी मदींच थंय वयर आयले आनी कितें म्हणलें आनी मागीर जेवपाक बसले. पूण ते जेवपाक बसता आसतना एक दुसऱ्याच भशेन न्हेसून आयले हाजेर मातशें आमकां मातशें कितें
आतां कितें आहा आमी हे जे व्रत करता पळय न्हू लैराईचे ते 5 दीस करता पूण तेका खूब सवळे करचे पडटा आनी तेका हे आमकां हे सगळे म्हणजे वाले न्हेसोन ते सगळे आमकां करचे पडटा पयलीं वालो न्हेसोन आमी पयलीं न्हांवन वचपाक जाय न्हाल्या उपरांत आमी मागीर आमी देवीचें दर्शन घेता देवीची फुलां घालता तिजें पुजन करता आनी मागीर आमी जेवणाक बसता जेवपाक बसता.
ओके हें तुमी जें पळय जेवपाक म्हणजे न्हातान जेवपाक हें तुमचें न्हांवप कितेंय खाता तेन्ना काय एकूचदां बी अशें
ना 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 आमकां उदक पसून ते पितले जाल्यार आमकां न्हांवपाक जाय इतलें आमकां कडक सवळे पावचे पडटा
आनी हे 5 दीस
आनी हे 5 दीस सारके
ओके आनी होमखण फाल्यां
हय हय बरोबर
म्हणजे आज हे तुमचें लास्ट शिताचें जेवण
अशिताचें जेवण बरोबर
पूण फाल्यां कितें करतात तुमी
फाल्यां आमी फळार करता
फळार
फराळ म्हणजे फलाहार सगळो
ओके
आमी म्हण अशें केळी म्हण तशें अशें मागीर बारीक बारीक कितें चडसो फलाहारूच
पूण शीत जेवप ना
शीत जेवप ना शीत जेवप ना
शीत जेवप ना
शीत जेवप
आज तुमचें लास्ट शिताचें जेवण फाल्यां तुमी फळार आज रातचें कितें करपाचें
आयज रातचें आमचें हांगा व्हडलें जेवण म्हूण आसता
हां
आनी आमी सगळ्या आख्ख्या गांवांक हांगा वचोन मुद्दम घरांनी वचोन आमंत्रण दिता ह्या जेवणाक येवचें म्हणून
ओके
आनी ह्या जेवणाक सादारणचे 250 ते 300 लोक येतात
हांगा?
जेवपाक आनी ह्या जेवणाचे भोजनाचे हे आस्वाद घेता कित्याक ते लोकांची हांगाली खूब श्रद्धा देवीचेर आसा आनी तिजो हे प्रसाद म्हणून लोक भयंकर
हांगा येतात
हांगा येता
हें आज रातचें
आयज
जाता.
राती सांजे येता
ओके तुमी जेन्ना पळय वयर उबे रावले तेन्ना तुमी कितें तरी एक आरती काय श्लोक अशें कितें तरी म्हणजे कितें तें
आमी तो लैराईचो नामघोश केलो
हां
तिचें स्फुरण आमच्या आंगान एक तरेचें स्फुर्ती जावप आनी सगळ्या धोणांक एक प्रकारची ताकद शक्ती मेळची आनी हें व्रत आमी 5 दीस आतां करता तेजें व्रत आनी व्रत केल्या उपरांत आमकां अग्निदिव्य करपाचें आहा म्हणजे होमखणांसून वचपाक जाय त्या बद्दल हे तिचे आशिर्वाद मेळचे म्हणून आमी तिचें हें नामघोश करता.
ओके आनी हे जे पळय म्हणजे हांवें आयकल्लें की हें जेवण जें पळय करता तें पयलीं धोंडूच करता आनी धोंडूच जेवता पूण हांगा जर पळयत जाल्यार म्हाका हांगा थोड्यो बायलो दिश्टी पडल्यो म्हणजे त्यो कितें करता हांगा
त्यो पासून ह्यो चडश्यो आमच्योच सौभाग्यवती आसात आमच्या धोंडांच्यो आनी त्यो आमकां आपल्या स्वकश्येन आमकां हें भोजन करपाक आमचें रांदपाक येता कळ्ळें न्हू आनी तें भोजन आमकां ती रांदपाक रांदून दिता आनी दुसरें कितें आहा सगळीं ती पासून खूब कडक सवळे पाळटात तांकां कितें तेकले पासून तर जाल्यार पुन्हा तांकां न्हांवचें पडटा
म्हणजे तांणी जर तुमकां तेकले जाल्यार तांकां परतें न्हांवचें
परत न्हांवचें पडटा इतलें तें कडक सवळे पाळचें पडटा नाल्या शिवाय तेजें हें ना सफलतें ना कळ्ळें न्हू सफल जायत ना तें पूण तांकां थंय न्हांवन येवन पुन्हा आमकां तें करचें पडटा अशें.
ओके ह्या वाड्याचेर सिकेरी वाडो न्ही हो ह्या सिकेरी वाड्याचेर कितले धोंड आसा
सिकेरी वाड्याचेर आमी 17 लोक धोंड आहा 17 धोंड हांगा जेवता
हांगा जेवतात
आनी बाकीचे आनीक दोग थंय आपल्या घरांनी जेवता म्हणून 4 कडे अशें जेवता पूण मेन जें आमचें आहा तें आमी हांगा जेवता.
हांवें जेन्ना पळयले हे सगळे धोंड फाटल्यान जे हे धोंड बसल्या ते यंग आसा सगळे पूण आमचे जे कुशीक बशिल्ले आहा ते वडील धोंड आसा म्हणजे ते उज्यानसून वता
अजून पासून वयता
अजून
पासून वयता आतां
तांचें नांव
तेंचें अनंत सावळतारी
अनंत सावळतारी आनी वय कितलेशें आसतलें तांचें
73
आनी ह्या वयाचेर ते वता
आनी इतले उमेदीन वयता आनी ते सारके कडक सवळे पाळटा आनी आजून पासून अग्निदिव्य करता अशें.
आनी सगळ्यांत धाकटो कोण आसा तुमचो
सगळ्यांत धाकटो आमचो अंदू एक नवो धोंड जाला सुशांत तारी
ओके
अशें हे तो आतां हे आमचे सगळे इतले वर्सां तो आमच्या बरोबर रावतालो आनी ताका एक स्फूर्ती येताली आपूण भाई आपूण धोंड जाता आमी ताका अवश्य म्हणटाले तूं जा आनी अंदू तेणीन तें व्रत करपाचें केलें
म्हणजे तो आज मुड्डेर वचून थंय तळयेन न्हांवन
हय ना पयलीं तळयेन न्हांवप
पयलीं तळयेन न्हांवन
मागीर मुड्डेर वचोन मानून येवप
हय
आनी मागीर रातचें पुन्हा होमखणांसून वचप अशें.
ओके आनी तुमी वेता आसतना सगळे एका बरोबरूच वता
ना ना आमी सगळे ग्रुपानूच वयता
तुमी ग्रुपानूच वता आनी अग्नेसून सुद्दां तुमी ग्रुपानूच
आमी अग्नेसून वयता अग्नेसून वयता.
बरें आतां तुमच्या घरांनी जे भुरगीं आसा चले भुरगे आसा नाल्यार चलयो आसा ह्या होमकुंडांसून हांवें पळयलां बायलोय वतात आनी चलयोय वतात आनी धाकटेय भुरगे वतात म्हणजे हें एक कंटिन्युअस थींग म्हणजे तुमी हें करूंकूच जाय अशें आसा काय तांच्या इच्छे प्रमाणे
हें कोणाकूच ताका बंधन ना ही प्रत्येकाची इच्छा ज्याच्या मनात इच्छा तयार झाली आता आपण दोन जातलो म्हणून की तेणे ते करतात
आणि एकदा सुरू केल्यार म्हणटकच
एकदा सुरू केलें म्हणटकूच तें तुका
कंटिन्युअस
कंटिन्यू उरता तेका तोडूंक मेळना अशें तेजें हें आसा व्रताचें तशें प्रथा आहा ती कशें आदी पासून
ओके. आणि तुम्ही जेन्ना हांगा होमकुंडांसून चलून वता न्ही तेन्ना तोंडान तुमी एक कितें तरी म्हणटा कितें तें
ते आतां आमी म्हणटात पळय आमी सगळ्यांक म्हणटा आनी तुमकां दाखयता पळय
हय
म्हणत बोला पुंडलीक हरे हर विठ्ठल पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव सीताकांत स्मरणं जय जय राम श्री गुरुदेव दत्त श्री लैराई माता की जय.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen the enthusiasm of the people over here. You have seen how inspired the other people around in the village will become by listening to this, and all because of the bonding of one deity, Sri Lairai. It's an event that you must make it a point to come and see the firewalking and everything that goes along with it. You know, I have always been intrigued. What is that stick that they are carrying? Let me find out. हे जे हातान बेंत म्हणून व्हरतात न्ही हें कितें?
हे आमचे सविस्तर आमचे हे आसा पळय अनंतारी ते तुका सांगतले
ते बेत घेवन नाचपाक एकदम स्फूर्ती येता म्हणजे तुका हें धाड आसा नाचूं
हां आनी ती घेवन हलोवपाचें
हलोवपाचें हालोवन नाचपाचें घेवन
आनी आवाज कसलो येता?
आवाज बेताचो येता आनी
कसो आवाज कसो येता?
कर कर करून आवाज येता
हां आनी हे सगळे एका बरोबर नाचता ते सगळ्यांचो आवाज एकूच जाता कर 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 कर
हय सगळ्यांचो आवाज एकूच जाता
आनी अजुनूय नाचतात तुमी बेत घेवन?
हय अजून नाचता.
So with this, I'm going to thank all the Dhonds over here and Sandeep Bab over here for amazing time that I have spent with you. And before I forget, you won't believe, they served us food. The taste of that food was too good. But do you know that this food that was cooked by the ladies, by the better halves of this gentleman over here, they prepared it without tasting. Whether there was salt, whether there was whatever the spices were, they don't taste it. They don't put it in their mouth. What they did was they used their acumen and their expertise to cook. And I can tell you, the sasav, you missed it. I'm telling you, this is the time to come to Goa to eat the sasav. But I must tell you, compliments to the ladies. The food was excellent. Thank you very much, Dev Bare Guru.
देव बरें करूं.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I am walking down these steps, I'm actually heading towards the lake where those thousands of Dhonds are going to have their bath. You will not believe there's a queue for them to have a dip over here inside. Today, we find a lot of youngsters practicing swimming over here. And I tell you, given the opportunity, I would remove this clothes and jump inside over there. It's so hot outside over here. And tomorrow, when they get the curls over here, they will take those 3 handfuls of water from the lake that is here and put it inside that pot. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what they actually do in this lake over there. Let's go down. When the chorus comes over here, it is kept on a platform that we see those youngsters over there standing over there. It is kept inside for veneration. Now you can see how beautifully these youngsters are all swimming over there. This is a very, very holy thirty. So ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Behind me you can see a huge pile of wood. This wood has been put there by the temple committee, plus you can see a lot of small bundles here behind. Now this have been given by the people as a vow, and many of them, they carry them on their head and they walk around this homkund. It is called a homkund, or it is home kund. Home means fire, kund means a place, one place. Now you can also see quite a lot of those bentas or the canes that have been discarded over here. This means that it belonged to somebody who is not there right now, who has passed away. And in the evening, when this particular thing burns down, there will be more than 25,000 people who will be walking the fire. That includes ladies, elderly gentlemen and small kids. Now there is something very important that you should know. There is a separate deity for the Homkund, and he is called as Homkundeshwar. Initially there was a huge banyan tree over here, and it was said that the fire that burns over here, that is to reach the top, not a single leaf would get singed or burnt. A few years ago, due to old age, this banyan tree collapsed. So they have constructed a small little shrine here, and they have planted a new banyan tree which is growing up beautifully. Ladies and gentlemen, banyan tree was used by our ancestors for one reason. It's amazingly good because it breathes out oxygen throughout the day and night. Please plant some plants. Plant some trees, fruiting trees, banyan trees, whatever trees, because our earth is getting very hot, and I can tell you it's really hot over here. It's very nice to watch my Goem from your homes, but when we come here, during the daytime, the sun is burning us, and at night when we come for this type of festivals, the heat is burning us. But we never give up to get the best of heritage for you. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Homkund, and in the evening you will see it burning to ashes and people walking on top of it. Here you are, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this Lairai Jatra uh, episode that we have got. In fact, I am giving this closing statement somewhere on the previous day, because we will be doing the shoot at night. We will be seeing the fire walking at night, and we want to be ready to relay this thing to you. If you have anything to tell us, possibly you like it or you want some more information, please write to us on the email that you see over here. Many times we miss out a lot of things. Do let us know, because if you can write to us on this email, we will be able to get back to you and come and understand the correct thing. And that is the idea of My Goem. My Goem wants you to help us to protect, promote and to preserve the heritage of Goa. Let us call ourselves true Goans and be true Goenkans. So, from my team of My Goem, signing off.